Hello friends, welcome in my channel Smart Science Class 10. Today we are learn about the some examples or some MCQ questions about the chapter periodic classification of the element. So start first. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Today we are starting the new chapter of periodic classification of an element. I give you the 20 questions and 3 extra questions that helps for you. The first question is, which among the following elements would lose an electron easily? The answer is the magnesium. Having the answer is the sodium, because sodium atomic number is 11, so only one electron present at the outermost their orbit. That's why it can lose their electrons easily. Which among the following having the largest element? The answer is the potassium. You should also can understand that the sodium having the 281, 282, 2881 and 2882, means calcium to 20, sodium 19, but the sodium atomic shells are, the shells of the sodiums are 4 and calcium also 4, but the atomic number of the last orbit is 1 and there is 2. That's why the sodium is largest element. Then the arrange the following element in the order of the decreasing metallic characters, means the decreasing of metallic character. First is the very non-metallic character, then the we can know that there is the sign belongs to the N, means sodium. Then the answer is our question, option number B, because the chlorine is the very non-metallic. Then silicon, aluminum, magnesium or sodium, means when we go left to right in a periodic table, the metallic character decreases. There is, when we go left to right, there is sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, sulfur, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, means answer number 2. Which of the following does not increases while going down the group on the modern periodic table? The answer is the valency. If we go down the group, the valency electrons are not increases, means the valency is not increases. On moving from left to right in a periodic table, the size of atom is, when we can go size of atom is decreases. We are also know in the example of the 3, there is the size of atom is decreases. Then the sixth question is, which of the following statement about the modern periodic table is correct? Which is the correct? There are mainly 18 horizontal rows. There is 7 horizontal rows and 18 vertical columns. Means the answer number 3. The D block element are also called as, and there are 4 block: S block, P block, D block, F block. D block element are called as transition elements because they are present at the uh, right side of the periodic table, and in the right side they are consisting of the S block elements. And eighth question is, the size of the atom is indicated by, the size of the atom means the size of the atom is indicated the number of the radius, because the radius of the atom is also indicated by the size of the atom. Radius is the distance between the nucleus of the atom is outermost shell. Radius is distance. The atomic radius, atomic size, answer is atomic size. Atomic radius not. Atomic size is the distance between the, there is a two answer, sorry. Atomic radius is also known, and the atomic radius is expressed in the picometer. It is given in our textbook. A tendency of element to form a cation is digest character of the element. It gives the metallic characters because the cation having the negative charge and that can attract the elements metallic. The digest is in a liquid of form in a halogen family. The answer is the bromine. The bromine is present at the 17th group, means only one element, only one valence electrons of there. That's why it is the answer is the liquid bromine, option number C. Then while going from the top to bottom in a group, the atomic radius, when we go top to bottom, then the atomic radius is increases because the number of the shells are also increases, due to which the atomic radius is increases. The tendency of element to form anion is digest characters. The non-metallic characters, we know that in the question number 11, the cation is metallic and the anion is non-metallic. The element from the zero group is also called as the noble gas because they are present at the 18th, uh, uh, they are present at the 18th column. The Dobereiner laid down the, sorry, the Dobereiner laid down the triad, because the Dobir and the triads, we can know that the triad shows that the first element, the middle element is approximately is to the mean of the other two elements. There is a triad. The Newland's law of octave is applicable for the 20th element is calcium. You should be understand that calcium is the element. The X and Y are two elements having the similar properties which obeys the Newland's law of octave. The minimum and maximum number of the elements in between X and Y are respectively are, answer is the 6 and 30. I can explain you why is the answer, because the in the Newland the first element is use the similar property to the eighth element. It means that the seven elements are present, so the difference between the two elements, 7 is in the fourth option. Then at the time of the Mendeleev digest elements around, the answer is 63. That is given to your textbook. The answer is 63. And the last question is, in the Mendeleev periodic table, the Ica silicon was later named as the germanium, and Ica aluminum is what known as. Please comment the below options. I can you can also check me by the comment you comment that for which is the name of the Ica aluminum for the in modern periodic table and letter name. Please comment if you are no. Then we give the three some extra questions. The first question is, the in modern periodic table the number of the columns and periods are respectively. There are mainly columns means there are groups. There are mainly which groups? 18 groups. And column is there are mainly 7 columns. Means answer number is 3 is the absolutely correct. Then we can know that 22 question. The digest is the outermost shell of the element in the period 2. There are 7 periods. First period consists of the K, second is L, means answer is the L, third is the M, and fourth is the N, means answer is the L is correct. And our last question is the 23rd question is, the group. Yes, the group first and second constitute the digest blocks. And the group first and second constituents means they are present at the left side of the periodic table, and they are consisting of the block number S. I can also explain you in the above one examples that I know, but I can also explain. Okay. The 24th and last question of the this video is 24. Which pair of the atomic number present element in the same group? The answer I give you also, but you should me give this answer. I can. You should give this answer in the comment box. I should check of each of the answers and give the comment to each. Then if you would like this video, then please subscribe my new YouTube channel and share this video and like and share your all friends. Thanks. Bye bye.